Well, been out here for about an hour. Got a good amount done. I got almost the entire top side of this deck done. I got into a little bit of this side of the deck. That's the worst part. It's really rusty right there. Rust is coming off okay for the most part, except down in there. That's where it's the thickest. Gets sprayed by wire and shit everywhere. It's all in my shirt, poking me. See another one. Got in my hair too. A few almost got into my eye. But started getting down the side too. Yeah, it's still pretty solid. See some of the rust in here. Got some extra wire brushes, so I should at least get. I think I can get the whole thing done. And then I gotta run to the store and get primer, which will probably be tomorrow. And I need to get acetone too. I mean, not acetone. Paint thinner, so I can get this metal really, really clean, and then primer it up. When this is done, it will look brand new, except for the wheels. So I could try to find some replacement wheels, because these ones are really rough, and they're just really rough. Maybe the store have those too. I'm also thinking of getting a full engine tune-up for a lawnmower, getting a new filter, fuel lines, new spark plugs, and a new air filter. Keep it running really nice, strong. I mean, it's runs strong right now, and I think it needs some hydrostatic fluid too. Had to look up into that, how to service a hydrostatic transmission. A lot more complicated than a belt. It might, I don't know if you need to replace the lines every few years or so. I'm not sure. It's something complicated, something I really don't want to do. So I'll just grab myself another monster and keep going. I want to try and get, my goal is to get this paint and rust off on top today. If not, maybe even get the bottom today. I'll work right into the damn night. I got enough pop and monster to do that, so I'll keep you a little short update videos here and there, and hopefully I'll just hopefully just keep this whole thing in one part. So I better end this video right now and right here, so stay tuned. Painting will probably have to go into part 3. Okay, see ya. Okay, I'm gonna switch over and use a sander. Looks a little bit better than the wire grinder. I'll get back to you. I'm gonna try the die grinder now with a wire head on it, because there's some really tough rust in some areas, and I should just go right to the paint extremely fast. So it might work a hell of a lot better and be a lot faster, which I'm hoping I can do, because it's kind of getting boring. So back on. Okay, so it is very obvious that this is really nice. That sander was putting really deep marks into it, which I guess is cool for some people, but not others. Here you can definitely see the rust damage, especially there and in there. So I'll paint really thick in there for sure. Get a lot of thick primer in there. Over here it's not bad. You got your little tiny holes. See right here. Looks like it has like a little few dents, like right around here. I guess that was just done when they were making it. Can't be absolutely perfect every time. There's another one somewhere else. Another awkward dent. I think it was up around here. I don't know. But yeah, that works a lot faster. I think it's getting around 8. So, well, I better end it right now. Okay, so you get started on the back side now. You might not be able to tell, but it's like filled with rust dust in here. I could show you real quick what I'm talking about. Well, people, I gotta stop. I have no other choice. If I bring this thing outside, first of all, it's sort of raining. It'll just get rusty all over again. I'll have to start all over. And plus, it's too late. People are gonna start getting to sleep soon. And I sure as hell can't do it in here because I don't have a professional mask. And you know, this car is actually covered in a fine layer of dust all over. Yeah, rust dust. So yeah, I should stop. In fact, I had to make an emergency stop right there. I had to just drop my grinder down and get out because of the rust down my throat and everything. So I gotta stop. Alright. Wish I could continue, but I gotta stop. So it's probably gonna be a 4 or 5 part video. So just stay tuned. I'll try to link these fields here with annotations. If the weather ain't crappy, I'll get working on it. And what you just saw was just me doing in here, which is still covered in rust. Okay, I just barely got through the rust, and that's how much dust there was. I still got the whole damn deck. So, it's just too much. By the time I'm done with that, this car would have a fucking inch layer of goddamn rust on it, I guarantee you. So I really had to stop. Alright, look at the grinder. Yeah. So, I'm gonna take a nice shower and everything. Luckily, well, I have my camera covered for the most part, but oh well. So stay tuned.